I'm here with Martin Masol from Rwanda, 16 the 10,000. Take us to your race a while ago.
Okay, thanks. Competition is difficult because Poland is cold, very. Rwanda is hot. Competition is very difficult because I'm cold. Okay, Poland is very culture, is very nice. Climate is high, cold is difficult.
I mean, tell us about the experience you've had competing here at the World Championships.
Okay, thank you. World champion. Me, I'm enjoying. Me, I have a problem because I'm not minima Olympic Games. Rwanda is difficult. It's difficult. Poland. Me, I have a time low. It's difficult.
All right, thank you, Masir, and all the best.
Thank you.
Francine Niasaba, incredible race. Talk about it.
So it's hard to talk my grateful. I'm very happy to in the first run in indoor track, and I'm very happy to win in the green takan like in my flag is very fabulous. I won gold medal for my country. It's very fantastic. Yeah. As you know, the rest was more tactic. But I tried to do my best. God did my best.
So when you saw that green track, that was good luck for you.
That is my special to run in green track and like my flag. You see, it's the same. Fabulous.
Well, congratulations.
Thank you very much.